What's up, everybody? Quick little video here for a Monday. Just thought I'd share this with you. So it's like I've been trying to think of a way to polish up the Moabos, get them nice, because it's like there's not a flat surface to be found on these. So I'm looking up, like, you know, rock tumblers, and I'm like, I don't know if I want to buy a rock tumbler or something just for the Moabos. And I found a jar, and I got some medium in there. This is just a test medium, just for a little, just a little prototype idea that I'm knocking around, and I, have the fixes for what I need to do up in here. But check this out. It works. Yeah. All right, and I can sharpen things at the same time. All right, anyway, that's my maybe Monday video for today. Just what I'm doing in the shop today. Hearts and health, everybody. Don't forget, subscribe. Check out my latest videos. And, right up here is a recommended video. Why not?